Welcome to Fazool. This morning my wife, she went shopping and she found this great deal. She got some chicken cutlets. Good deal, $9 a pound. So guess what? We're gonna make some chicken Francese. How's that? I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, we're making this famous chicken Francese. It's funny they call it chicken Francese because it's not even a French dish. Actually, it's more like an Italian dish. Well, you know what? Not even Italian. It's more like an American dish. This was invented in Rochester, New York. And you know what? I really don't have time to talk about that. But if you want to find out about it, hey, just go Google it, baby. You're going to find out about it. But you know what? I just want to cook today. So here we go. We start with 1 egg. Okay. Just throw some salt in the flour and some black pepper. Okay. And just mix it up a little bit like that, all right? Meanwhile, while this is done, we're gonna throw some oil in the pan over here. Not much, not this much. I'd say about 3 tablespoons of oil. Oh, wrong one. Hey, here we go. Okay. Wait until that gets hot. And we're gonna cut some chicken cutlets. Whenever you cut chicken cutlets, try to take off the fat. It won't taste that good. Just put it on the side over there. I make about 3 cutlets out of this. Nice little cutlet. Always keep your hand flat on it. Slide right through the bottom. Make sure you don't cut your hand. That's one. That's one. And then you cut it one more time right through. In between. And you got about 3 cutlets. If it gets too thick, if you think it's too thick, which I don't think it's too thick, this is perfect. You can always get the whatchamacallit. And you can just flatten it down, but this is just perfect. There. Okay. Now, don't worry about. I know you're looking at all these videos. Oh, the chicken! Don't touch it with your hands. You know what? You can touch it with your hands. Just don't touch it with your hands and put your hands in your mouth. Okay. After you're done, you can wash your hands. Okay. Relax. It's not a bomb. It's not gonna blow up. Okay. It's just chicken cutlets. Here we go. Now, first thing you do, you bread this, okay? You bread the chicken cutlets, put it into the egg. Bread the chicken cutlets. Actually, flour the chicken cutlets. There's no really bread here. Flour it, you know. Okay. And then gotta wait until the oil gets hot. If you see it getting hot, you know, frying up already, that means it's done. It's almost there. It's getting hot there. You want to get like a really hot oil. This way, the egg sticks to the chicken when you're frying it. Because if it's too cold, it's not gonna stick. It's gonna stick to the pan. So we don't want to do that. So here we go. Get the fork. Put it right into the egg. Make sure it's got all the egg in there. See, nice. So it's got a lot of egg on it. Okay. And when you drop it into the oil, you drop it always going that way, so you don't hurt yourself. Okay. And 3. Difference between chicken Francese and chicken piccata. Chicken piccata has the capers, but it doesn't have the eggs. Chicken Francese has the eggs, but it doesn't have the capers. But it's got the same It's got the wine, it's got the lemon, it's got the parsley, exactly the same. just those two things are different. Okay, so we're gonna let that fry a little bit and wash my hands. Okay, once you see it cooking on one side, more or less, now you just flip it to the other side. Alright? Make sure it's nice and cooked, nice and brown. We let it cook on this side a little bit now, and then I'll show you what's next. Now, when you see it cooked like that, basically done. You don't want to cook it too much now, okay? So we're gonna finish it cooking into the sauce. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it out of the oil and I'm just gonna put it over here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, you want some oil in there. This is a little too much. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dump a little bit of this oil. Just a little bit. Put that back over here. What we do next, we get some lemon, okay? Get some lemon. First thing we do is we squeeze in some lemon inside the. We're gonna start creating this beautiful sauce. Okay. Lemon. Okay. And the wine. Okay. A little bit of wine. Okay, about this much wine and some butter. Now you're gonna say, "Wow, that's a lot of butter." Yeah, well, you know what it is? This is a butter sauce. Okay, chicken Francese is more like a butter sauce. All right, so we have enough lemon in there. What I like to do, I like to leave a few pieces of lemon in there, wedges in there. You can take them out at the end of the. When it's finished, I'll take them out. But for now, you put it in there to give them a little taste. And okay, you put a little more salt, more pepper. Okay, and we wait until that butter, it's more or less melted. Add some stock in there. Just a little bit of stock. Okay. Okay, a little bit of parsley, and then we get that chicken. After we got that beautiful sauce in here, get that chicken and throw it right back into the sauce, this beautiful Francese sauce that we just made. That cooked for another maybe like 4 minutes, and then hey, we're done. We're gonna plate it up, and we're gonna have this beautiful chicken Francese. So stick around. We're there. Now the sauce is thickened up a little bit. I'm gonna shut this off, and we're gonna plate it up. Sauce on top of it. Now we're gonna give it a big test. Make sure it's come out good. Wow, it looks great. Look at that. With that sauce. Ooh, baby. I like my shorts, by the way. Summertime, baby. Summertime. Fazool. Beautiful. Do it. You're gonna love this. Okay, this is the chicken Francese that I make at the store. You can make it at the house. It's no big deal. So give it a try. And thank you for staying with me for a few minutes and giving me this opportunity to show you how to make my chicken Francese. And I'll see you next time on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. It's Pastor Fazool. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pastor Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.